Hello friends, welcome to this online course on Explainable AI with Python. I feel grateful and glad that you have shown interest in this course. I assure you that this course will be worth of your time and energy in learning Explainable AI. As you know, AI is already impacting our life in a very big way. We are using AI in our daily life even without knowing it. Facebook AI algorithm is already deciding which post we must see. Amazon AI algorithms are recommending the products which we should purchase. We are watching the videos on the basis of recommendations made by Netflix and YouTube AI algorithms. We are relying on Google Map AI algorithms during our travel. Not only this, AI algorithms are recommending us the persons to whom we should date. AI is also making decisions in very critical applications. For examples, banks are using AI applications to approve or reject the loans. We are using AI models to diagnose the diseases in healthcare. AI algorithms are used in self-driving cars, trains, and drones. So this becomes very important and critical to explain how AI algorithms are making all these decisions. It is also very important to increase the trust of users in these AI models. And the solution for this is explainable AI. And this is the reason that why explainable AI has become a buzzword in IT industry, and there is a huge demand for explainable AI experts. This course is divided into 9 sections. The first section is on Introduction to Explainable AI. The second section is on demo of by design interpretable models. The section 3 is on LAME. Section 4 is on SHAP. Counterfactual explanations has been discussed in section 5. Google's what if tool for AI fairness has been discussed in section 6. Section 7 deals with layer-wise relevance propagation technique. Section 8 covers contrastive explanation method, while the last section 9 discusses future research directions in the area of explainable AI. All the datasets and code used in this course will be provided to you so that you can practice it on your own. Each section has a corresponding quiz through which you can test your progress, and it also carries recommended assignments for your practice. I hope that you will enjoy this course as I have enjoyed it during its creation. So please join this course to start your learning in the area of explainable AI. Thanks for watching this video.